How to use skills tests to improve training outcomes. The value of employee development programs has been well established. According to the 2020 LinkedIn Learning Report, 94% of employees would remain in their jobs longer if their company devoted more attention and capital to training. Beyond retention, Gallup notes that increasing employee development programs could lead to higher engagement among workers, sometimes up to 70%. All of this is to say that when you focus your efforts on continuing employee education, you are actively building your workforce into a more efficient, effective component of your company. And that leads to improvements in your bottom line. The more engaged your employees are, and the lower your turnover is, the more you can concentrate on increasing productivity. To create a truly effective employee development program, you must establish a method for identifying shortfalls and measuring learning outcomes. That is where eSkill comes in. The eSkill talent assessment platform, with the largest skills testing library available, gives you a tremendous advantage when it comes to improving the outcomes of your training programs. While integrating skills tests into your development programs should start at the very beginning of the training process, it plays a role throughout every step along the way, too. These are the 4 areas where skills tests can help you to improve your employee training programs. 1. Identifying skills gaps. 2. Interpreting data. 3. Target training. 4. Assessing outcomes with before and after skills tests. Learn more about how skills tests can help you improve employee development and training by downloading the executive report on this page. When you devote time and resources to employee training, you are investing in your most valuable resource, your people. When your employees build their skills in multiple areas, you can develop a more flexible and adaptable workforce that is better able to respond to fluctuations that arise from both internal and external factors. With eSkill, it is easier than ever to track your company's KSAs, knowledge, skills, and abilities, allowing you to make sure that you do not get caught short in important areas. The more skilled your employees are and the more flexible your workforce can be, the more efficient and productive your organization will be. Request a demo. eSkill.com